Hey, hi all. Good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Good evening, Giri. So hope you have done some exercise.
No, actually, not
Yes or no?
no, no.
Or you didn't get the time.
Yeah, no, I'm not keeping well actually.
Oh, what happened?
Cough and cold.
Okay. So let me share my screen, guys. So recording is already started. Hope my screen is visible to you.
Yeah.
Is it visible to you,
Yes, yes.
Giri? Yeah. So from today we are going to start today Jenkins. Okay.
Okay.
Azure DevOps we have already completed. AG 900, AG 104 and AG 400 is
400.
completed. Okay. Now we are going to start with Jenkins. Jenkins
Mm,
is one of the CI/CD tools and it is open source tool.
mm,
Okay. And nowadays in Jenkins there is what AI plugins is also available.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
Recently they have added.
mm,
Okay. So now with this Jenkins, we can achieve the AI also. Okay. AI,
mm,
like no need to write the YAML file from the scratch. Okay. Although we
mm,
have other tools like, Copilot, ChatGPT and all. Okay.
mm.
So, but here also they have given. Okay. Now, so basically what is, let us discuss about the CI, continuous integration. Okay, so what is continuous integration? Why do we need it? And different phases of adoption, continuous integrations. So what is continuous integration? Do you have any idea?
It's nothing but like integrate the uh, mm, develop code and deployment. It is continuously integrate the deploy the code, whether it is in the UAT or production, whatever it may be, from the SI, from the development to the UAT and the UAT to the production. Hello.
Is it only the same, only that things or any other stuff also? Only deploying to the, see, integration word means what? You are going to integrate with any other tools also,
Hmm.
correct?
External tools.
Yes. So it is what available for external and internal both.
Okay.
Okay. So you can integrate. So you can integrate the other tools also with the Jenkins.
Hmm.
Okay. These
Hmm.
are the features. But especially if you are going to say the continuous integration in the DevOps is basically, if we are going to discuss about the DevOps is what uh,
Development and operations.
yeah, it is about practice where developer frequently merge their code, right?
Hmm.
Like how I have explained you in GitHub,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Merging,
Hmm.
correct? So basically in DevOps, basically in DevOps, a practice is what where developer frequently merge their code changes into shared
Hmm.
repository, right? You have
Hmm.
created the repository 3, right?
Hmm.
And they are going to do multiple times in a day, right?
Hmm.
Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, and although there are number of developers, right?
Hmm.
Basically, each merge is trigger an automated build, correct? You have seen, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
And also the if you have integrated the testing, so testing process also,
Hmm.
right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
So that is what. So basically, continuous integration is what you are what merging the code to make the changes. You are going to do what
And then
automated the build and testing the process, correct?
yeah.
Yeah. So that is what continuous integration. Okay. Continuously you are integrating the code into the repository. Correct?
Hmm.
Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4, right? Yes or
Hmm.
no? So
Hmm.
that is what continuous integration. Second question is that why do we need it? Okay. So basically why do we need is what if we are going to do the continuous integration, we are able to detect the early bug. Correct? There is what rollback option is there, right?
Hmm.
Is some right? Yes or no?
Hmm. Hmm.
And also, if we are going to do the continuous integration, that is what faster development
Dep
cycle will happen, right?
Deployment.
One feature side
Mm, mm,
development and deployment both will be faster,
both. Yes.
correct?
Yes.
And due to that reason, it is going to improve the code quality also, because
Mm,
you are able to find the bug at early stage, right?
mm,
Yes or no?
yes.
Correct. So at early stage, you will, you are able to find it means what? You are going to resolve the code issues, right?
No, at early stage means like
Early
normally.
stage means what? Suppose you are going to find something in the UAT or
Mm,
into the production, right?
mm,
Suppose you have deployed one features
mm,
in, see, first you are going to know, develop your features in the feature branch,
mm,
feature branch. Then
mm,
from the feature branch, you are going to merge that branch with the dev branch or any
mm,
test SIT branch, right?
mm, mm,
Correct.
mm,
If whenever you are going to merge, that particular code will be available in SIT environment, right?
mm,
They will detect.
mm,
Yes or no?
mm,
Or whilst if whenever you are going to merge and deploy into the SIT
mm,
environment, what will happen? Suppose the feature is not working, all other features are also impacted, right? So
mm,
suddenly you will roll back that particular, correct?
mm,
Yes or no? So that
mm,
is what, do not think like a testing perspective, early review and all document. Do not. I'm talking
mm,
about in the branching strategy, how
mm,
we are going to test the deployment process. Okay, we are
mm,
going to
mm,
test the code quality, not
mm,
the functionality and all later,
mm,
right? Once
mm,
deploy, then if the application is available,
mm,
then it is fine. If application
mm,
is not available, then we have to what? Roll back, right?
mm,
So basically, what is continuous integration is what developer commit code to a shared repository on a regular basis. That is what you are doing, right? In GitHub,
mm, mm,
correct?
mm,
So basically, version control system is what? Being monitored. When a commit is detected, a build will be triggered automatically, correct? You have seen
mm,
it, peer request and all, right?
mm,
Right? If the build is not green, developer will be notified immediately.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
So see, you are a developer. This is what Jenkins CI, right? So
mm,
whenever build and you are going to, developer is going to what? Commit the build into the GitHub, right?
mm,
Correct? Yes or
mm,
no? GitHub is what? Web-based hosting server for software development project. That is what I have already explained you GitHub and all, right?
mm,
So GitHub is going to directly build triggered automatically, and it is what? Triggered to the
yes.
Jenkins server.
Mm,
Okay. And Jenkins server is running on Ubuntu, okay, open source.
okay.
So next, why do we need continuous integration is what? It is going to detect problem bugs as early as I have already explained you, right?
Mm,
Yes or no?
yeah. It means early means during before go for the UAT or before go for the production.
Yes.
Both
In
the
it,
cases,
see,
both the cases are
sometimes,
correct.
yes. Sometimes what will happen? Your application is working SIT,
Mm,
your application is working in UAT, but
mm,
maybe whenever you are going to deploy the same code in pre-prod, it
mm,
will fail. Or maybe in the production also sometimes, it will, because maybe the environment configuration maybe some, uh, some configuration file is missing, maybe the width, right? Maybe
mm,
the sometimes, production memory issues, right?
mm,
CPU utilization, something, right?
mm,
Auto scale. Although in the production there is what very high, but sometimes it will happen, right? So that
mm,
is the reason we are always planning to deploy the code into the production, and on either weekends or in off time.
mm.
Okay, clear? Clear or not?
Yeah.
What you said, see, at early stage, from
Mm,
dev to SIT to UAT to prod, right? So
mm.
any stage.
Finished it. Okay.
Okay. So different stages of adopting continuous integration with Jenkins. Okay. So
Mm,
let us see. Stage first, no build server, feature branch, right? Locally, you are building the code, right, in VS Code, correct?
mm,
Developer commit on a regular basis.
mm,
Changes are integrated, tested manually, right?
mm,
Huh? And
mm,
fewer releases. This is what stays first. So this is what central repository, correct?
mm.
Here A, B, C, D, and all are what developer. Few commits. The multiple, because GitHub is what
The-
distributed version control system, correct?
mm, mm,
And repository is what single, right? Centralized repository, correct?
mm, mm,
Stage two is what? Automated builds are scheduled on a regular basis. Whenever you are going to commit, okay,
mm,
PR request will be generated. You are going to
mm,
generate, right?
mm,
Whenever you are going to merge, it will go through the pipeline. Okay.
mm, mm,
Build a script, compile the applications, and runs a set of automated test. Developer now commit their changes regularly. Build server would alert the team member in case of build failure. Okay.
mm,
So this is what stays second. Okay. So you can see that developer is what committing the code into the GitHub, right?
mm,
And then this from the GitHub, you are going to what? Raise the PR request, right?
mm.
And build
Build
nightly
it.
and
Mm,
build and run test, and then you are going to deploy to the specific
mm,
environment. Now the stage third, a build is what trigger whenever new code is committed to the central repository. So
mm,
you have seen, right, whenever you are going to commit the feature branch, it is going to ask you to create the PR request,
mm,
pull request, right?
mm,
Yes or no? And
mm,
broken builds are usually treated as a high priority issues and are fixed quickly. That is what hotfix. Okay.
mm, mm,
Stage 4 is what automated code quality and code coverage metrics are now run along with unit tests to continuously evaluate the code quality. Okay. So
mm,
basically the code coverage increasing. Do we have fewer and fewer build failures? Okay.
mm, mm,
So these are what I'm explaining you right in theory. After that, we are going to do the labs, like we are going to create one window machine, okay,
mm, mm,
in your Azure portal. Then we are going to install the Jenkins inside that. Then we are going to create the pipeline.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
getting my point. Automated deployment means what? Whenever the build is going to trigger, build is what developer is going to commit the changes. Automatically, it will trigger the build and it should deploy into the dev environment, okay, or
Mm.
SIT environment. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So developer have only access to deploy into the dev environment, okay. They do not, even they will not have the deployment access into the dev, okay, because they are working on locally, right? They are
Mm,
going to commit.
mm.
Then there they will raise the PR request and DevOps team is going to deploy into the
Approve.
dev.
Approve
Okay.
the PR and I deploy it.
Yes. Now CI/CD environment. See how many developer are. Multiple developers are, right. All
Mm,
are committing the changes to the Git,
mm,
right? Yes or no?
mm.
Then this is what Jenkins. Jenkins is going to create the CI/CD,
Build.
right?
Mm.
And whatever the code is available in that, the SonarQube is what? One of the tool which is used to scan the code of any either Python, Java and all. Okay.
Okay. Normally
So
this will the Sonar Cube normally they will use for the
mm,
code review, right? Code
yes, code review and vulnerability check.
vulnerability to check. Okay.
Like suppose if you are using Python 2 and but the latest version is what 3,
Mm,
correct? So
mm,
those kind of issues, vulnerability, any checks, right?
mm,
Or maybe duplicate code.
mm,
Okay, so those are the stuff. And after that, say basically SonarQ is what? Defect tracking system, load and endurance testing, and UAT and SAT. Okay,
mm.
so before UAT we are going to do, we are not going to do in dev or everywhere. Okay,
Mm.
One
So
place is
after
can
SIT, you mean after SIT?
after SIT they will put into the UAT, and after the UAT they will scan and then they will deploy.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
See, they will not add every stage. See, same code they are scanning in dev also, and
Mm.
also SIT also and UAT. Doesn't mean that, right?
Mm. Mm.
Correct or not? Tell me.
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
So better before
No,
prod.
I'm just trying to understand the scenario, like before go for pre-prod or before go for the UAT.
Before pre-prod also, see, it depends upon you. Before
Mm.
pre-prod also, you can SonarQube you can implement, and
Mm.
before prod also.
Mhm.
Okay, it's your wish to implement before dev also, before SIT also, but it
Mm.
is unnecessary. It will take a time. Correct?
Mm. But some
Unnecessary.
projects they will use for this code quality. This SonarQube will be used in the
Every
code.
environment you're
Uh,
saying. No,
mm.
no. They will earlier they are 3 4 years ago they are using, now they have removed. Now
Mhm.
latest trend is what? They are either before UAT they will apply.
Mhm. But how come? But what? Uh, which tool they will use for the code review and uh,
SonarQube.
Sonar?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Mm. Okay, so these are what check-ins, trigger, check-ins. That is what you already done, right?
Sequence
Yes.
diagram.
Now continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. So
Mm.
continuous integration you have understood. Continuous
Mm.
delivery is what you are deploying into the some specific and right.
Mm.
Delivery is what features one, feature two, feature three. The developer is working and man pushing in code to the repository, right?
Mm.
Deploy means what? You are going to deploy that particular code into the specific environment.
Mm.
So delivery is something what who is going to do? Developer,
Mm.
right? Developer is what creating the code and deploying and deliver to the repository.
Mm.
From the repository, DevOps engineer is going to deploy into the specific environment. That is what deployment. Now
Mm.
understood? Delivery and
Mm.
deployment.
Mm.
Okay. So continuous integration is the practice of merging development work with the main branch constantly. That is what you have done, right?
Mm.
That is what continuous integration.
Integration.
Continuous delivery is what continual delivery of a code to an environment once the code is ready to ship, right? That is what I was telling you, right? Okay. Into the
Mm.
SIT. Okay.
Mm.
This code be staging or production. Okay. And continuous deployment is the deployment release of code to production as soon as it is ready. Continuous deployment only the production related stuff, but continuous delivery is what? In all the environment, SIT, UAT, pre-prod, okay, or sometimes hot fix means what? Production.
Mm.
Clear? Is
Mm.
that clear or not?
Yeah.
Don't worry. If you feel that you are not, let me know. I will then stop today's session if you are not feeling well. Don't worry. Only thing is what you should able to understand.
This delivery, just I missed
Okay.
something in the
Okay.
delivery.
Okay. Let me tell you. Simple example. Continuous integration is merging. This is to the main,
It's
right?
with a
Clear?
development code. They are
Ah,
doing yeah.
yes. Features to,
Feature
main.
to main
Main.
or feature to UAT or something.
Correct.
Oh.
Continuous delivery is what? Continuously you are going to deliver the code to an specific environment, either in SIT, either in UAT, either
Mm.
in production, all the
Mm.
environment.
Mm.
But deployment is not only into the production or into the market.
Yes, yes.
Here, all the environment. Because
Mm.
here we will consider the hot fix also.
Mm.
Correct? Some one features is what not working, all other. So they will do one hot fix, right? They will create one
Mm.
hot fix branch and directly they will test it and then directly they will put
Deploy.
into the
Deployment.
production.
Mm.
Correct?
Mm.
Clear?
Mm.
Now clear or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. So DevOps is what? Continuous
Continuous integration and
integration now,
continuous delivery.
Jenkins. Continuous delivery is what? Deployment and continuous monitoring future.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
monitoring is also very important.
Mhm.
How to implement continuous integration? I have, you know, right? No need to discuss. Okay, so continuous integration is what also a mindset, right?
Mm,
This is a mindset or no?
mm. Mindset. Okay.
Exactly how fixing broken build should be treated as a high priority issues for all team members. Like suppose you are trying to deploy something into the dev environment or a site environment, right?
Mm,
And you are not able to deliver,
mm,
not able to deploy. So there must be some issues, right?
mm, mm,
That we need to check. The deployment process should be automated with no manual steps. Okay, sorry. Okay. All
mm,
it should be automated.
mm,
Manually, if you will put, then developer will put the code into the production.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
clear. All team
Mm.
members, your voice is what happened? Are you okay?
Throat, cough, cold.
All team members should focus on contributing to high quality test because the confidentiality of the CI process highly depends on the quality of the test. Okay,
Main the quality
yeah. So you understood, right? CI, CD, and
delivery,
continuous integration,
continuous
continuous
delivery, and
delivery, and continuous
continuous
deployment.
deployment.
These three concept is understood or not?
Mm.
Okay, understood, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.